Many people today in our country have more insurance than they ever had before. More emphasis being placed on preventive care, chronic disease. Finally, health care, not sick care, real health care. And community-based care is happening very much. And that is aided by groundbreaking technology. The technology like of which I would have never ever imagined when I was doing the residency program in this country. And we were also empowered by a very empowered patient population, consistent quality and safety. And that creates a huge, strong safety culture in the healthcare delivery system. And that is the healthcare delivery system you are entering today. In list of all these great changes, healthcare goes on and on. And it also comes with a lot of risks for it. There's a risk of disruption. There's a risk of restructuring. There's a risk of loss of autonomy in some places. And the risk that your skills become outdated one day. All those things are because healthcare is changing so fast. Things what I did best, I learned to do best for 20 years of my life, that's not valuable to me because technology has moved us away to different levels. So never stop learning. Please be a part of that learning curve so that you learn every single day. Your learning actually starts after you finish your residency program. That's where the learning really happens. But with all this risk comes the greatest reward. The reward of being the greatest caregivers who will drive the healthcare delivery system in our country. Not just sick care, but real, true healthcare. So that they will make the healthiest possible lives possible for all our community. And that is the greatness of this movement in healthcare delivery system. I only hope that you realize it and you seize this opportunity to make those changes. As a physician, you'll be the backbone. The backbones, the nerve centers of the future healthcare delivery system. And you have two options. Either you can resist the transformation happening here, or you can become part of it and embrace it. I hope you will embrace it, not be the obstructionist. I hope you lead the change and you take on the charge. And I hope you will be the change agents that make this healthcare revolution happen for the future generations to come. Last but not the least, never ever forget why you all went into healthcare in the first place. To remain true to your ambitions, you always said that I want to take care of patients. There is no healthcare without patients. So your job continues to be providing healthcare to your patients. Patients will be the center of your focus. Try not to be lured or seduced by simply following a rule which give you financial stability. If you take good care of patients, and the patients like you, money will follow. Never ever forget that. So I'm excited for each of you because you're launching a career at a time of great change, but also a great time of great opportunity. A great opportunity for practice of medicine, a great opportunity for you, and most importantly, the great opportunity for your patients. So you have a great deal to celebrate, and even more to aspire to. The whole world is waiting for you. So there's no limit how high you can fly. So my only request to you is just don't fly, soar the skies. There's no limit for you. I wish I was in your shoes. I would have probably done this much more differently. But the time is on your side, and use it. Use it to the betterment of the people. At the end of the day, you'll be judged by how good you are, not how much money you make. So please don't forget that. So keep your patients in mind. Help us. In your rounds one day, if you see an old man sitting down in a corner, that is me. So please don't pass me by just to make sure that I get my breakfast. Thank you.
I can see everyone's face now. So everyone look at my finger. 2 shots. 1. 1.5. 3/4. 5/8. Thank you.
Dr. Raju, very inspiring and empowering journey from medical residency right to the CEO. What is one most important attribute of yours that has kept you going?
I think if we keep the patients in the center of everything we do and we exist to take care of patients, everybody will have a very successful career.
And any advice to the new medical residents, the graduate of 2016, from a most culturally competent facility?
I think try very, very hard to make sure the healthcare disparities go away, because we need to have equal healthcare for all in this country. And these people will go out and do that much more effectively than they have done in the past. It is a privilege and it is a great experience for the young doctors to get trained in health and hospital facilities, because they get to see different ethnicities, different groups, different people from all over the world, and also the breadth of medical knowledge and diseases which we have makes them and prepares them to be some of the greatest doctors in the country. We are very proud to be a part of the medical education of this country.